Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to another process video for the scrap room using the other half of the double shot kit. Yesterday I had posted or I'd put up a video for the first half of the double shot kit. This is the second half using this beautiful Pink Fresh Studio Delightful collection. So if you haven't done the scrap room before, you can get Flavors of the Month kit, which is 4 different mini kits of 4 different collections, or you can get a double shot kit, which is 2 mini kits of 2 different collections, and you get papers and embellishments, everything to make a few pages. Get more pages done. That is definitely their motto. We are also playing along, at least I am, playing along with 30 Days of Sketches this month. Today, October 11th, this sketch is created by Cece Inez. Here's her sketch. I love it. And I had promised you 2 days of sleeping baby photos, so here are 2 more photos of a sleeping baby. We're going to document these today using these beautiful, beautiful papers. I figured these soft papers would work well for a sleeping baby. So I'm going to tell you what's all in this kit, and then we will start playing with that sketch and all the things. This is also my Tuesdays in the Attic. So for October, because 30 Days Sketches is happening, and I knew I was going to run out of Dusty Attic sketches by the end of the year, I decided to put the Dusty Attic sketches on pause for October, just do the 30 days of sketches, and then I'll resume them in November. And it worked out perfectly because I will just go into one Tuesday into the new year, and that's it. So it worked out great in my mind. That was perfect. All right, so let's look at what we get when we get a double shot kit for the second half, this Pink Fresh Delightful. So you get you get 3 pattern papers. So our first one is the pattern paper Flourish with this beautiful watercolor rainbow leaf, and this other side is their typical like word. Yeah, they've done this kind of style a few times, except for this time it looks almost like stitching, which is really cute. Second one is called Brighter Days, very almost like a tile like, and then a beautiful goes from like a peachy orange rainbow all the way to a green, if you can see that. I like that a lot. That might be my background. And then this paper, which is the Simple Pleasures. This is the B side. It is a gray plaid, and this other side is this beautiful stripe. And then it comes with 2 sheets, or 1 sheet of pastel blue cardstock, beautiful texture cardstock, and 2 sheets of white cardstock. Yep. So we got that. And then we get some embellishments, and these are going to vary for everybody. So we're going to get a variety of ephemera pieces. Let's get those out. A variety of ephemera pieces, 3 chipboard flare, 1 puffy seal, and a roll of enamel dots. So you get a whole roll of enamel dots, and I believe the collection usually comes with 4 or 5, so it's just going to depend on which one you get. So I got this beautiful like aqua color. I got these chipboard flare, which I love. I got this turquoisey, tealish, mintish wax seal that says Joy, which I enjoy. And then here are the ephemera pieces I got. I got this beautiful rainbow stripe tag. I got Love Your Smile. Let's have some fun. Brighter Days, a beautiful little butterfly, Little Things, Big Memories. That's perfect for my layout. Little floral cluster, and a little flower in a vase. Love This Life of Mine. That would be a good thing to use on my layout as well. A little yellow label. This is Doing the Next Right Thing. I like that. Positivity, Happy Habits, Things That Matter. A lot of those would go really well with my photos, actually. So I am going to start cutting up some paper. We're gonna play, like I said, with this sketch. I don't know what my title's gonna be yet. I haven't decided that. We're gonna cut up some paper, start playing with this sketch. Be on our way. All right, you guys, I have trimmed some paper. I decided to go with the blue cardstock as my background because all the other papers are so very soft. And yes, it's a sleeping baby, but that way I've got this bright blue in the back, and then it kind of picks up and really accentuates the blue in his sleeper he's wearing, and then it really makes him pop, especially because he's darker, and all these other patterns are light. So I trimmed this down. I can't tell you what size it is actually. I'm not sure. My photos are 5 3/8, so I matted them on some very light purple cardstock that I had in my stash. I cut out 3 circles and cut them in half to make the scallop over here of the beautiful leaf paper. I thought that would be perfect for using this sketch by CC. And then this is the back side, so I used a scrap, and I could do this side too, but no. I did my notebook punch, my absolute favorite punch, and I'm going to tuck that back there. This is leftover of this, so it's like a 1.5 inch strip for down here. And then this, I just cut slightly bigger than my photos. And I'm really liking this combo and which papers I chose. Sometimes you don't know until you start cutting. So yeah. We just need to glue things down and figure out a title. I was gonna try to look and use up some of my stash, because I have this white darling, but I think it'll blend in too much, so we might color it. Because I've got the purple behind the photos and I've got pops of this light purple everywhere else, I think I'm gonna take my milled lavender oxide and color this word, and then we're going to use that as our title, and then we're going to use all the lovely embellishments we got in the kit to sprinkle around. There's also another pattern or something, maybe even washi tape we might grab just to overlap right here, so I might do that. So my things are a little proportionally different than the sketch, but that's okay. That's the point of a sketch. You're supposed to be able to kind of play and see what you want to do with that. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna show you how I do this, just in case you're wondering. I'm gonna leave this right on the packaging. I'm gonna take my milled lavender, one of my tiny little brushes, and you just color it, and it's gonna be perfect. So I'm just going to finish inking this up. I'm going to glue all my papers down, and then we will add the embellishments together. So I'll check back in with you shortly. All right, everything's glued down. See the difference? Just adding that little bit of purple makes a lot of difference, I feel like. All right. I wanted like a washi or something. It looks really dark on here, but that's just because it's layered up on each other. See, it's much lighter. I think instead of a cluster right here by my title, which is where they have one, I'm gonna bring it up here, and then I'm gonna add this little joy wax seal. And then, so I'm gonna put this circle down here. We'll put some washi coming out from the circle. I mean, it is a happy habit, but that looks kind of dumb up there. I don't know how I feel about this joy. I think if I add something, maybe, and just do should we do that instead? Bend up the wings. Take that off of there. And yeah, I don't think I'm going to use the rest of these embellishments. I like all the subtle color and things. I want to do some enamel dots, but I don't think I want to add, or do I, to make that pop a little bit more. And a big one. Yeah, think. I'm gonna just write my date. There we go. I think that's fantastic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you've checked out the 30 Days of Sketches so far, but if you haven't, make sure you check out the playlist that is down below. Everybody who's playing along will just be on that playlist. So there's amazing sketches created just for 30 Days of Sketches this month, and I think she's going to do that from now on. It's awesome. A lot of talent. So thank you so much, and I hope I've inspired you today. Make sure you check out the Scrap Room and all it has to offer in these amazing double shot kits. They're honestly my favorite. And we'll see you next time.